What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Rob. I do Doordash Uber Eats on the east side of Cleveland. Today I am going to take every Uber Eats order. Right now it is 9:05, so I'm going to do this until about 2 o'clock, see how much I can make, try to get more acquainted with the app because I just started Uber Eats, learn what to take, what not to take. All right, got my first order, Chick-fil-A, $8.69 for 3.1 miles. Let's go get it. Right now it is showing my 2 orders at $11.20. All right, now I got this one from Uber Eats. It's 2 deliveries, $18.14 for 7.1 miles. Let's get it. So I've been sitting here for a while. I haven't gotten any orders from Uber. It is 1:47. I was going to be out here until about 2. I might as well call it quits now because I'm not getting anything. So I completed 10 trips, $80.11. And let's see, I drove 69 miles. Uber, not bad. I think I had a decent day. I think I learned a lot from the app. What I have not been able to see on the app, and maybe I'm just not seeing it, and maybe some of you are able to see it, that, you know, my brain farts all the time, so, and no telling, it's probably there. But when the order comes up in Uber, it tells you the restaurant, it tells you the miles, it tells you how many orders, but I can't seem to see where the drop-off location is. So when I want to do multi-apping at the same time, say I have an order going one place, and then with DoorDash going one place and Uber Eats, I want to know which direction that Uber Eats is going, because maybe I can do both, you know. So maybe I'm just missing something, which is likely the case. So if you could comment below, let me know what I'm missing, what I'm not seeing. It would be helpful. So that's the end of my day today. I might go out again later on today and do some door dashing, but I'm a little tired. You know, just happens to be my off day from my 9 to 5. So I wanted to come out here and bang out a few orders, you know, with Christmas time coming up. So that's it for me. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, you want to see some more, please subscribe, hit the thumbs up button, share it if you like. But I appreciate all of you that are watching it. Don't let nobody knock your hustle, man. Keep doing what you do. Peace.